Source confusion occurs when individuals have difficulty accurately remembering the source of information or attributing memories to their correct origin. This phenomenon can lead to confusion between different sources of information, such as mistaking a memory from a movie or book as a personal experience, or attributing an idea to someone else when it was actually generated internally. Source confusion has significant implications for memory accuracy and reliability of information. Source confusion arises from complexities of memory encoding, storage, and retrieval processes. Memories are not stored as exact replicas of past events but reconstructed based on various cues and contextual information. When individuals encounter information, they may fail to accurately encode details about its source, leading to confusion or misattribution during memory retrieval. Source confusion can occur in everyday life, eyewitness testimony, and media consumption. Memories from different sources may share common features or themes, making it challenging to differentiate between them. Information lacking distinct contextual cues or source identifiers may be more susceptible to source confusion. Memories without unique details or vivid sensory experiences are more likely to be misattributed. Individuals may fail to encode or process information about its source due to distractions, divided attention, or insufficient cognitive resources. Individuals may mistakenly attribute ideas or insights to external sources, such as assuming they heard a concept from a colleague when it was actually generated internally. Source confusion contributes to the formation of false memories, where individuals vividly recall events that never occurred. Exposure to fictional narratives, news stories, or misinformation can lead to source confusion. Individuals may incorporate elements from media sources into their own memories or beliefs without realizing it. Source confusion can compromise the accuracy and reliability of eyewitness testimony in legal proceedings. Witnesses may inadvertently attribute details from external sources, such as media coverage or leading questions, to their memories of the event. Source confusion contributes to memory distortion and the formation of false memories, undermining the reliability of autobiographical memory. Source confusion can influence creative endeavors, such as writing, art, or music composition. Individuals may inadvertently incorporate elements from external sources into their work without proper attribution. Encouraging individuals to critically evaluate the credibility and source of information can help reduce source confusion and improve memory accuracy. Enhancing the distinctiveness of source cues and providing clear contextual information can aid in accurate source attribution and reduce the likelihood of source confusion.